Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign on your Google Docs. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Docs apps, and then if you wanna sign on this Google Doc apps, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the profile icon at the top, and then in here you just click on the add another account, and then in here you can sign in with your Google account. Okay, and after this you can go back and finish. So that how to sign on your Google Docs. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.